Hello and welcome to today's stitch tutorial. Today we are doing the triple or the treble stitch. You'll hear it kind of interchangeably, but they are the same stitch. I personally prefer the word treble, so that is what I will be referring to it throughout. Now the treble stitch is just like you would think the double stitch. So double stitch, 2, treble, or triple, 3, right? So it is extremely high. It is very, very gappy, very, very holy. If we compare it to the double crochet, so take a gander at that. You can see there is a lot more space in between because of the height, and it is just more kind of meshy than this. Now, if we were to compare this all the way to the single crochet, you can definitely see the difference here. So treble is super spacey, really gives that height. I don't know if you can see, here is one single crochet, and there is a triple. So kind of 3 times the height, right? Obviously, single crochet, a lot more of a dense fabric. This is, oh my gosh, so just, it's squishy, it is floppy, it is perfect for things like shawls and just anything that you want to be kind of very light and drapey. And if you really want a quick crochet blanket, that will work up like a dream. I would definitely not recommend this for baby blankets, however, because those fingers and toes are going to get cat. Also not for any kind of animal. You don't want those paws and those nails getting caught in there either. So let's go ahead and let's learn the treble or triple crochet. We have here a chain of 18, and just like the double crochet where we skipped 2 to this one, 3, we are skipping 3. So double, you skip 2, treble, you skip 3. So on the 4th chain from the hook, so not a chain, but 1, 2, 3, and 4. And to yarn over and yarn over again. So you have 2 yarn overs and what was already on the hook. And again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're gonna go in, yarn over, and can you take a guess? We are going to yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2 again. Look at that height. So let's do that again. We're going to yarn over again. We're going to go to the next stitch, go in, yarn over, pull through. You have 4 on your hook. We're going to yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2 again. So yarn over twice, in to the next stitch, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, and go through 2. Whew, that yarn split, didn't it? Once, go through 2 twice, go through 2 3 times, yarn over twice. We're going to go, we have 4 on our hook, yarn over, through once, yarn over, through 2 twice, yarn over, through 2 3 times. Check out that height. So 2, 2, and through 2. 2, 2, 2. Now you can see why this makes projects work up so quickly. It is a bit of a yarn eater though, so the higher you get with a stitch, a little bit more intricate of a stitch, the more yarn it is going to use. So a half double uses more yarn than a single. A treble, I don't know if it's necessarily triple what a single crochet would use, but I would think it's pretty close, right? So you get the height faster, but you do use a lot more yarn. Through 2, through 2, through 2. Now, if you've seen other tutorials, again, ignore the dog. Teddy just has bursts. You might notice that they tend to just yarn over, use their one hand, and let it do the work. I am odd. I have always been one that kind of rows and the hook stays more still. If that's an oddity to you, you're not alone, first of all. I know that I drive several people crazy with how I crochet. But it's what's worked for me, and I'm not about to change because it would take a lot to get used to a different way. All right, let's go into that last stitch. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. And there is our row of treble crochet. So let's go and do our second row. We'll kind of speed through that one. So we're going to chain 3, flip it like a book. Now again, keep in mind, some patterns will tell you that this counts as a stitch, and they will have you go into this one. I am not a fan of that, so I like to go into that stitch, and this is just for height. So pay careful attention when you are doing patterns. Yarn over twice, go in, yarn through 2, yarn through 2, yarn through 2. Go into that V. Two. And I won't lie, yarning over twice really makes me happy. Oh, notice we did something odd here. We have a bit of a splitty yarn. We're going to pull it out. Make sure we're going through the right area. yarn over, pull through, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, and again. Through 2 once, through 2 twice, through 2 3 times, and then we just keep going. Now, treble with this size of hook and this size of yarn, really not ideal. As you can see, it is extremely flimsy, but the point is to demonstrate this, not to necessarily make it look pretty. This will be the last stitch tutorial I will do with 2 sizes of hooks, unless it is extremely helpful to someone out there. And let me know in the comments, and I'll keep duping it. I'll keep doing it, or I will there we go. So if we pull in our sample with regular hook, same. Oh my gosh, look at that. She is drowning. So 2 rows, same weight of yarn, smaller hook, right size of hook for this yarn. Well, that was what we got. Isn't that insane? This super, very holy. This still holy, but a little bit more put together. So let's take a look one more time at our put together sample, our swatch. There you have it. That is the treble or the triple crochet.